It's been a wild few weeks for the financial markets. Indexes dropping, prices plummeting, sell-offs resuming. Sam, it's been a rough ride recently. What can we expect this summer?
We could see elevated volatility over the coming months, but there will still be opportunities, especially with energy, where we've seen it outperform over the last several months.
Research analyst Sam Blumenfeld has been focusing on the energy sector. He works with commodities expert Sean Broderick on his publications. They're currently tracking gains in wealth megatrends, super cycle investor, and gold and silver trader. One area, of course, showing lots of resiliency, oil.
I expect to see a continuation of the broader shift from growth investments over to companies that are more value oriented, and with strong positive tailwinds for oil, it's likely that higher oil prices drive greater growth and higher earnings over the next several quarters for oil companies.
Take a look at how the price of crude oil has been rising. This is a chart of West Texas Intermediate, the U.S. crude oil benchmark. You can see the lows are getting higher, indicating a breakout could be coming soon. Right now, companies that produce and refine oil are profiting, and so can investors. Marathon Petroleum, currently trading at about $96 per share, is among many companies Wealth Megatrends holds. One in the super cycle investor portfolio is Canadian Natural Resources. And on the list for gold and silver trader, Halliburton, an oil field services company. That's because plenty of companies are spending money to develop new oil wells and ramp up domestic oil production.
We have a large allocation to energy companies right now. It's the only sector in the S&P that's green over the past couple-month time frame.
Aside from traditional equity markets, the crypto market has also been sliding. Some of that has to do with tech stocks taking a beating this year.
We do see that elevated correlation with cryptocurrencies and technology stocks because of the short-term headwinds facing both markets, such as geopolitical tensions in Ukraine, as well as the Federal Reserve raising interest rates.
Sam is a contributor to Weiss Crypto Daily, covering the largest two cryptocurrencies by market cap, Bitcoin and Ethereum.
They generally hold their value better than the broader market, which we have seen with speculative assets selling off more than Bitcoin and Ethereum have.
Sell-offs are expected to stabilize as mainstream adoption continues. Just this week, the luxury fashion brand Balenciaga announced it would start accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum as payment for online purchases. And at certain stores, it'll take effect next month. The company joins other fashion giants like Gucci, which also accepts Litecoin and Dogecoin, among other cryptos.
Despite the short-term headwinds that the crypto market faces, adoption is progressing as expected, and the long-term prospects for crypto are very strong.
So while the market cools as the summer heat rises, keep in mind the next bull runs for certain sectors and industries could be around the corner. Research analyst Sam Blumenfeld, always great getting your insights. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thanks, Jessica.